What's up, guys?
What's up?
We're here to do a video with these two idiots.
Yo, what's
Shout,
up?
shout your YouTube names out.
Subscribe to Beast Like Logan and Beast Like Christian.
Oh, they're together. Oh, shit. Here we go.
Oh! It's gonna be a lot worse.
You thought it was going to be a lot worse, he says.
Oh my god!
Man, that thing shoots like a pussy. What the hell?
We gotta go get the nerf.
Anyway,
I'm just like.
we're gonna have a nerf war with these boys. We came here with this surprise gun. Oh! Alright, so here's the plan. Look at, he's just drilling him in the fucking head. What's your reaction?
So crazy, bro.
Oh man. Oh, see, that fucking thing shoots way harder. Shoot about one of them. Logan, what are we doing here? So we're gonna have a nerf war with these boys. So it's too cold outside.
Oh, I figured it out.
Huh. Whoa!
Alright, that's enough.
Alright, now give me a second.
That's enough.
Let's regroup.
Alright,
Let's
gather
regroup.
one.
Let's regroup. Hold on.
That was scary.
We gotta get the bases figured out. And the game rules.
Me and Christian versus you two.
I figured it out.
Okay,
You
we
can't
already
just
knew
keep
that.
fucking rounding them. You gotta let the.
Bro, we could use those
Explode,
bullets for
explode.
this, Logan. I grabbed this.
Our last couple I got going good.
You want?
So,
You just keep shooting them.
we gotta have the bases figured out. Where do you want your base? Because I want to be out here.
I call right here.
We can't be out here. We can't both be out here. No, we gotta have set bases. And set guns. So we get this gun.
We get
And-
this. Oh, Logan, we got all of our guns. We gotta have the sniper.
I get one.
Yeah, bro, grab a sniper. Sniper.
No, I don't want a sniper. I want this. I want this gun.
Alright, everybody help me pick up fucking rounds. There's 100 of them on the floor.
Okay. So me and
Hey,
Bailey
you're
with
stepping on.
the machine guns versus you boys with the self loaders.
I don't think I have enough bullets for that.
Oh, we have more bullets down in the car.
Yeah.
You gotta go get it. I bought you 2 more Nerf guns.
2?
All right, let's go.
2.
You boys, let's go.
Okay, hold up. Let me get on my side.
Pause.
Should we do some sides? I can go there.
All right. Well, we're back. Went outside and oh, fucker. Went outside and got the new
Oh,
gun.
dude! Oh!
Let's see what the new guns
Get
look
a
like.
stick!
Logan.
Look, we're at now.
Come on, don't be a pussy.
Ow!
Oh,
Look, you're on YouTube, bro.
it
Got
stings.
these
It
ones.
stings. Oh wait, I can't hold it like that.
I hear it was so bad.
Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Alright, that's
So we got 2 of these. I'm gonna go
I think
double
that
gun
other
on
one
them.
just sounds like it hits all
I got
harder.
2 of these.
It does
We're
hit
gonna
harder.
double gun on them.
I don't think it really does.
We're gonna
Just, you
absolutely
can hear the
destroy
string
them.
gauge. That's
Things
the
are
only
gonna
reason
absolutely
it sounds
destroy
so
us.
fucking
Oh,
loud.
I know.
Fucking.
Alright, last pick up before we make rules.
Yeah. We gotta get the rules on. We gotta get the rules on video so that.
We need this out here, bro.
Dude, you fucking got me, bro. Whoa, look it! I turned black and white. Is that bad?
Did I hit your phone?
You might have. You might have broke my phone, dude. Okay, so we just went over the rules with these kids. With Bailey. We all get one gun the entire game. You can't switch guns. So I have this, Logan, Bailey, and Christian. One gun, the whole game. And no shooting in the face or else you can punch in the jaw, right?
Yep.
Cool. If you accidentally shoot someone in the face, it's fine.
You punch in the arm.
You punch in the arm?
Yeah.
Yikes, okay. This might be interesting. By who shot the person? So the person who got shot gets to shoot the person who shot them? Or gets to punch the person who shot them?
Yeah.
So if I shoot you in the face, you get to punch me in the arm? Oh, fuck yeah. I'll shoot you in the face all day, boy. Alright,
These kids are twins.
so this is their base, living room.
Versus the couch.
And then ours base, what do you want, Logan's room or Lily's room? Or both.
Lily's room.
Yeah, Lily's room's a little bit bigger.
Okay.
What?
Our team name's the Twigs.
Okay, our team name is the Brutus. The Brutes? The Brutes.
Fortnite gods.
Yeah, you guys can suck a dick.
Fortnite gods.
Fortnite gods versus the Brutes.
Yeah, boy.
Alright. Alright, you have
Hold on. No. You have 5 minutes to build a
No,
base.
1 minute.
No, 5.
No, 5.
Okay, 5 minutes to build a base. Hey, turn.
Logan, use your phone. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna set my phone right here.
We're gonna build a simple base.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. You can see. All right. You got 5 minutes. Fuck, dude. We should just move Lily's bed right here.
Should be pissed.
She would be pissed. All right. What she got in here?
So you know what we can do?
Huh.
Fuck, dude. Take out the food.
Sorry. All right. So we're gonna steal a bed. We're gonna put it up against the door. Make a base. So.
That damn scooter under my foot.
Alright. Are we gonna up it or are we gonna low it?
I don't know.
Well, we gotta have the door open. We don't! Don't worry about
Shut
it.
up, build your own base.
Out of the door?
Like this.
Sideways?
Yeah. Yeah, that'll work.
Is that it?
I don't know.
That was a fail. I don't know, should we? I think that's pretty good.
I mean, really, if we can duck cover,
Yeah, we can dot cover.
we can hide behind the wall and do pop-out shots. We don't have to worry about nut shots.
Right? So here's.
Look at.
Should we put it like that? I don't know how you can see it.
No, I think you should set it up like fucking, like right here in the corner. Like take it off that and just set it in here in the corner.
Can you see? They can't see us, but can you see us?
Yeah, they can see us. Oh,
Yeah,
unless
you guys
because they were
can't
moving it,
really
but yeah, they're good.
Can I see you? Stand up.
Yeah.
Christian, what about you? Yep,
We
alright.
can zoom them in
Cool.
for the
Hey, zoom on it.
shots.
Alright.
I can't see myself.
Come on, get turn off this TV and shit.
Like, you can zoom in. Did you literally take my bed off?
Yeah. We're gonna take Christian's, but his was off, his TV's on his. Alright, yeah, we're good.
You ready?
I'm waiting on Bailey.
Bailey, hurry up!
Shut up. Get your gun. Don't shoot yet, boy. We're gonna give it a countdown. We're gonna give it a 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, shoot, bitches! Okay, Logan down. Call your hits, boy. Oh, I'm out, son of a bitch! Oh, I got him right in the chest.
Close the door.
Bro, that was so good. 1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
5,
2, 3, 4,
8, 9, 10.
8, 9, 10.
Stand up, bitch. Stand up.
Frick.
I need more bullets. I'm out. Should
Slow
we go storm the
down.
castle?
Bump down, bump down.
Cover me,
Cover
you know,
us
storm the
down.
castle.
Get more.
Bailey, I just ghost peeked you.
You did not even remotely.
Where'd you take that?
Did I even shoot?
Oh, this guy was well done. By the dresser.
They have a perfect angle on it.
By the dresser.
Come on, shoot! Here, I'll do the cover. Come on! Come on, shoot! down.
Oh, TVB.
Right.
He keeps missing, dude.
Pick up the phone.
Just try to find a big part out.
I will. Oh, banger. Logan!
Oh, about knocking me in.
Look, going right through that window.
Oh,
That was sick.
I'm just going to pass it.
Keep the fire down. Keep the fire down. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, cover me!
Fuck, I need it. Fuck.
He hit me! He hit me!
That's unfair.
I got him.
That
I got him.
banana-
I got him, guys. I got the phone too. Look it. It's Inception. I hope you know it's 10 seconds per shot.
Did you see me? Oh, did you see?
Okay, they're both definitely off.
No.
You guys knocked over the fucking diffuser.
And I
Alright.
went. No, I was running
Here,
and I
here's
went.
your phone.
Ow, my head.
Hey, that's
Alright,
10 seconds
that's
to
game.
bullet.
That's game for us.
That was actual.
That's game. Yeah, return all ammo. Hold on.
Guys, did you see me run?
Yeah.
And then just hit on that. That was.
I hope I got that on video. I think I did.
One of us did.
Hold on, let's get that.
You just dropped your phone.
I dropped my phone so many times in this video.
I shot like 5 rounds until you guys started getting fucking.
Yeah, this has been quite the vlog. It's pretty cool.
Okay, right now.
Logan, how'd you like that?
Ooh, it's
TP
hot.
headshot?
It's hot in here.
You're not the one.
How'd you like that tip of your head shot where you like barely poked it up and it skimmed your
No,
hair?
my ass just didn't come in.
Yeah, Logan fucking ran straight into the banana hole there.
Did you see that?
Alright, yeah, let's take a quick break. We'll be right back. That's fucking hilarious. Alright, boys. That's gonna do it for this. I'm gonna call it a vlog.
Slow dance.
So if you like the vlogs, leave a comment. Let me know that you like them, and we'll do some more. And yeah, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.
Subscribe to Beast Like Logan.
Subscribe to Beast Like Logan
And Beast Like Christian.
and Beast Like Christian. I'll leave links in the description.